First we want to kind of talk about what authentic approaches to learning might look like. This is a key element in thinking about learning activities is around how do we champion the process of learning. This is where the practice, the iteration, the failure, that's where that all takes place. Shifting focus away from just finished products, learners can engage in design and storytelling, activities that have motivational impacts because it provides opportunities to build increasingly complex skills over a period of time. And it also supports building those domain related, those specific practices where they can learn by doing in areas that are personally relevant. Take, for example, the case of Gabby Hoffer. Now, she's an honors student working on a studio photography project that has an interesting problem. She doesn't have a studio to work in. So she's improvising by using things that she has on hand to shoot at home. Clothes hangers and cotton balls. After she captures the subjects, some images are adjusted in Lightroom and Photoshop. Now, all apologies to Gabby because I had to speed up her video so that we could all kind of get a feel for her story arc in a short period of time. But this video tells an interesting story that emphasizes her approach to the challenge and tells that story in a unique way. It's just like when we work in the workplace, where we have to develop skills all of the time to tackle some challenge that we didn't have before. What we are recognizing here is that there's this incredible benefit in being able to quickly develop new skills more than just being able to identify new facts. Here we can have a great example, which is Kurosawa's mobile app, Grows. He imagines a mobile app to reduce food waste by encouraging people to cook more often. Here, Kieran uses XD to develop an interactive prototype that demonstrates his design concept. But the thing is that his learning didn't stop there. See, as we discussed earlier, the journey is an essential part of that learning. Let's not just focus on the final outcome. So Kieran used this experience to ideate with sketches, develop user profiles, developing prototypes for user feedback, all a part of the things that went into the creation of his mobile app design. This work doesn't just focus on that successful design. It demonstrates how ideas can be dissected and how the learning process is as important as the outcome. On a different tone, Quarantine by Spencer Brown explores his experience quarantining at home. It's a moving piece that speaks to the ability for learners to visualize emotion. As he wrote on his Spark page, everything has become digitized, and even with your family, you can still feel alone. And what he's doing is exploring how he feels about this situation, and he's using the digital tools as a way to not only explore it, but also to express it and share it with others.